Yet was so na German woman penny na de sosabo formono se nei yemi kwina yensi Center of Excellence for Green Technologies wo ye kutuka na emu ensamo no so for sure ngumesua so haruna idusu etwaso
ewo Germany mampani enafua miensa kwansra wodi bepie mu o man Ghana yi eka ho bia mene bra oba santimem hadia so the ball form ewo KTI sukum ho se onfiri dwumadia efreno Center of Excellence for Green Technology dwumadie na se na ebra wodi aso ball form ka ho bi mapani a wodasi veta no eye Dr. Zakaria Suleiman Cherese.
The objective of it is to train young Ghanaians and professionals in highly demanded and high quality skills to contribute to Ghana's green economy. And this is the first stage of the sword cutting ceremony. Respectfully, as this is done.
And you are counting on the demand of the youngsters here in that region?
Yes,
they are looking for a career in these technologies. Exactly.
We have students from this institute who will be benefiting from this, but there are other technical schools in the region who will have access to this facility for training.
Enuachi and aswafo hwe omanwo masua so nyamfo Haruna Idriso de pie dwase ohwe yankofa Ghana ne Germany afa wo ngomasua nkanka ne abefo kwaso ayade a ebebo omanwo masua pa.
What is it that he has done today is contributing to improving livelihoods and contributing significantly to addressing unemployment and particularly youth unemployment. As part of President Mahama Research Agenda, Excellency Samaya, we are focusing on developing a TVET policy and establishing a TVET fund to support the skills training of young people in order that they can make meaningful contribution to our national development effort.
Ansana German mampani ade na kwansa ndwumade nyina ba wiye wo mam ha no oba 9 na ni kire mu o manhia hemfie kuhia His Royal Majesty otumfo wo sei tutu ababio amansa chiame kwadwo bi mreku ama ne bo santimantamu.